What are you?
Oh, hey. You know.
Didn't see you there.
Just casually. Oh, hey. Just didn't see you coming. You know. Ka-chow. So we're cleaning back the car because all the shit belongs to my wife, and we're gonna see if we can start pimping this little car out. So welcome back to the channel as always, and today, hopefully, we're gonna be rigging up some freaking street mods beep, 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 on the race car.
Yeah, if you can tell by the title up here, maybe? I don't know.
Clicked on this video.
When you clicked on this video and we didn't clickbait you, you would have seen that we're installing rock lights on the Basura race car.
The Basura race car. So, give a rundown of the lights and what this little series is gonna be with this little bitch.
So we got Alpena, not in any correlation to Alpena, the BMW brand, or Alpine. It might be. It's spelled a little different, but we've got some LED Toughpods. Oh, I don't know why this. I thought it said tough poo. They're tough as shit. But these are rock lights to go on it. These are interior lights that we had originally bought to put on the Miata, but we're putting them on this now because, I mean, oh, let me get some better lighting. These are the same brand, and we thought it'd be dope to do. We actually have some rock lights on the Miata back there.
But we haven't done a review, so we're gonna do an installation video.
And a review.
And a review on Walmart, where this whole thing is getting the freaking cheapest of the cheap parts that we're gonna pimp out. I'm talking about from AutoZone, I'm talking about Walmart, bro, and I'm talking about the sweet old goodness of Amazon. Not sponsored by Mom and Daddy on this one, boys. Not sponsored by Al and Jack Henry. We're sponsored by the three big Migos. That's it.
Corporate America.
Yeah. Shopping small here.
Support mom and pop shops, not here.
Not on this one.
So yeah, so that's what we're gonna be doing today. We're gonna be installing this guy, that guy, and I know what a lot of you are probably still thinking now. It's like, wow, you know, we missed out on a whole week. We came back to you guys lifting a truck. When are you guys gonna get started on that? We're just not gonna do it.
That was supposed to be this week, but Aaron's on vacation, so sorry y'all. Aaron's out on vacation. He's the master fab on that. So like every fucking video we talk about, it's coming. Don't worry. Yeah. You guys. No, we still have regular day jobs, and we have to make money to be able to afford things like this. We also have to work on getting parts, so it is coming. It's not that we forgot about it. This is, of course, broken again. It's Polaris. I don't know what you guys expected. Rhino's still here in semi-running fashion. We got parts from Yamaha. That video's coming too.
Yeah, that video's coming. So I know what you guys are thinking. Why start on a whole nother project and a build series when you guys have all these other ones?
Oh, is that a question you might have? Let me take the reins on that one. Because we have too much shit, that's why. So we're constantly starting all of these projects finally now that we have a shop. Yeah. I told you guys, when we finally got a shop, there's gonna be a lot of stuff going on, so. Yeah,
we never said there was gonna be a lot of stuff finishing. Just a lot of stuff going on.
I guess that's the one thing we have in common with definitely not mechanics, so.
I didn't know we were chopping the springs on this. We'll catch y'all when we get everything opened up and set up. What's this? Joke's on you. You thought we were doing rock lights. We're actually doing a sub install.
I wish. More parts.
Yeah, I wish it were that easy. We're actually
Snap! It's in.
we're actually working on getting these rock lights in. The only challenge that we have in
Quiet! We're on set
we're
here!
on set here, we're filming! So the only issue we're running into is
just take it away.
these are hardwired, as you can kind of see.
Ooh.
Yeah, it's hard.
Hardwired.
So we can't just take them, well I guess you could, this base plate, but you just kind of have to screw them in wherever you'd like to. Run the wire. Show them where the wire goes.
I don't know where it's going.
It's a mystery to me.
So yeah, we have all this freaking wire here, and then here's the end that obviously goes to the battery, and then the other side. So like I said, we've already installed this on the Miata that's not behind me. That's what I was looking for. Out there. When I say we, I got Donnie from, I can't remember his last name for the life of me right now, but
Donnie something from Highway 78.
Highway 78 Auto here in Wiley, Texas. So shout out to you. And then, you know, my right hand, Dakota, my little brother, they hooked it up on that. I don't know anything about wiring. So this one's gonna be a bit of a challenge. That's why I've included this man. Because he knows
a little bit about wiring.
Well, that's more than I know. So, but yeah, now we gotta figure all this out. And there you are. Back in your face.
Ta-da! So from where we last left off, we've gotten absolutely nowhere.
We cleaned the car.
That's what we spent a lot of time doing. We spent a lot of time moving the Miata out of here. All right. I stalled it once, and that's because it has race clutch, and I'm not a race car driver, I guess. But we got the wheels off, so we have a little more room to work, and we'll catch back up to you when the passenger side's done.
All right, so obviously we were on the passenger side here. We got some wires tucked in there. Not the greatest work, but look, they're in there. That run down the bottom of the frame. It's really, really hard actually to find a spot to run these wires on this car. It's almost like it's not meant to have any kind of off-road stuff to it. Who'd have thought? But wires all ran right there, nice and as neat as we could. This one was a little tight, so unfortunately you just could one zip tie there and there. So I had to kind of run a more straight path. Loomed up around the frame. Last minute touches. Obviously, we'll have to clean this up a little bit, but
we're getting there.
Alan, the master freaking wire runner.
I don't want to clean that.
But
in the event that this lights up from a mechanical fire.
Y'all can't really, I don't know if y'all can actually see it, but you can actually see the lights dancing here. You want to go ahead and like close the shop and...
Let's do that.
You want to go and do that? Okay. 5 seconds. Jump into lights in a dark shop now. That's...
Whoa, dude, it actually turned out way better than I had ever imagined. So there you can see it. You can see it behind. Here, let me try to turn on this light.
This is stupid. Oh my god, we gotta get bigger tires out here. So I found a lift kit. That's coming up. We found a lift kit for it, so that's gonna be next. But okay, y'all see how this looks with the lights off. So imagine that. I mean, being at night.
Yeah,
can you imagine this little
car? We have a party here too.
God, what is going on? But imagine this rolling down to you at night. All right, I'm gonna turn the lights on and then we'll pick back up there.
Wait. So, to take you guys through the install of these lights, it wasn't really hard, pretty self-explanatory. They have a little instruction manual here. And literally, all those lights, they're pre-connected, and you just have that one light, or the one wire there, power ground. The only fancy thing we did with it is we have this little inline fuse, just because we were too lazy to tap into the fuse box and find one. We had to zip tie that up, but we did an inline fuse, pardon all the terrible wiring, and then just extended that wire so that it can kind of sit in there a little nicely. But that's all we did. So literally you just mount each one of these lights. Let me see if I can put you guys in there. If you can see that and it's not too insanely bright, you just mount that up in the wheel well. We used self-tappers and yeah, our own self-tappers. It includes self-tappers.
It does. We didn't find that out till later, but they're also much longer, so it's probably best that we used our little 3/8 drive, you know, 1/2 inch. I don't know. It comes with hardware. We
did a plethora of that, plus zip ties. And you just essentially mount them up in the wheel well, run the wires. Again, that's
the other thing too, is they don't give you enough zip ties, so make sure before you start this project, you go ahead and go buy your own. We use the little bitty guys, like these. And then also, you know, regular bigger zip ties.
Wow.
And it might be nice to get you some loom. Also didn't use these. We found it best with this particular project not to use the little rubber grommets.
And essentially all these do is just space it out, or if you want the wires thrown a particular way,
yeah,
it lets you orient the wire placement. That's a gaping hole. But that's about it. As you guys saw in a quick little montage time, we didn't do any time lapse, any little snappy things that Justin likes to do. It's all working, wired up. Again, time to do this honestly was an hour, 2 hours, just because we took a while.
We also were trying to do other stuff too.
Yeah, we will pick back up with the rest of the lights on the next section of this video, or if we don't, hey, thanks for watching. Here's the end of the video.
Just snip that part out. All right, yeah. So for today, we have to call it because I got a birthday party I gotta go to. So
he's got too big of a social life. He's a big time YouTuber now, so he's just gotta go make his appearances at birthday parties.
The second part, we'll do these lights, also from Walmart and/or AutoZone. We're gonna put these in the interior, and we'll also do a quick little review on how these go in and what we think of them. But we know these rock lights are fucking durable because we've already used them on that one. So hey, as far as a review,
we're leaking a lot of water over there.
It's okay, it's been doing that. As far as a review goes, as far as these rock lights, they're great, easy installation as you saw. So as far as part 2 of this video, we'll see you guys after a while to do that.
I'll be interested to see if they can both function off of the same remote. So we'll let you also know in the back half of that if that does work. But just to give you guys a quick preview again. It's got different modes, powers, you can turn in intensity, pause it, go through. But as you can kind of see, it'll go through flash, press it again, kind of go slow, and fade. But we'll catch you on the next section of this video. Can't snap with a radio controller in my hand. Still dipping? It must be nice to get all your projects done in one day.
Yeah, of course, man.
Yeah, but he also wears Honda shirts and rides a Polaris, so.
Yeah, gotta represent Honda, you know.
That's the only freaking reliable thing about his freaking rig is the shirt he's got on.
Honda.